Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're showing this beautiful little tabletop wraparound pressure sensitive labeler by our friends up at JDA Progress. They've been around for many years, handling all types of equipment. We do see their stuff quite often. We've just put some labels on it this morning just to test all the operation functions on it. It's, as you can see, we're just using a good old paint can because it's nice and easy to do that. And it's able to stack labels on top of one another again and again. Has a small product sensor right in there. This will accommodate a coder, which would mount right here if you need that, using the Lion 2100 label sensor. It's operating on 120 volt single phase. Really nice small labeler for low production or maybe small runs. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com if you're not there already, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.